Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an effective promotion using Bold discounts called daily deals. A daily deal promotion can be created by utilizing the discount tag feature in a discount group. When a discount group is activated, a tag is added to each product in the discount group. You can then use that tag to create a smart collection of sale products and link the smart collection to a navigation menu item on your storefront. This allows your customers to easily find your daily deals. Now that we know more about how the daily deal works, let's create an example daily deal together. First, you'll need to create a collection in your Shopify admin. A collection can be created by clicking Products, then Collections. On this page, click Create Collection at the top of the page. On the Collection Edit page, enter in a title for the collection. Under Collection Type, ensure that Smart is a selected option so that we can use a condition to filter products in and out of our collection when discounts are activated and deactivated in Bold discounts. Under Conditions, set the condition to tag is equal to, and then set your discount tag you are planning on using in Bold discounts. After you've entered in a tag, click Save at the bottom of the page. Next, we are going to link our collection to a menu item in the navigation bar. This can be done within your Shopify admin under Content, Menus. On this page, click the menu that you're using on your store. Click Add Menu Item. Enter in a name that you would like to display in the navigation bar to your customers. Next, click the search bar next to Link, navigate to Collections, and select the collection you created earlier. After selecting your collection, click Save. This finalizes the setup needed in your Shopify admin. Navigate to the Bold Discounts admin and create a discount group that contains the same tag you set in the collection. Once your discount group is activated, all the products you added into the discount group will appear in the Daily Deals page on the storefront. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold discounts, check out our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.